Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. We're going to start off with DXY. As we know, the US dollar currency index is always on top of our watch list. And as we can see here, for this coming week, prices have been crazy bearish. Last week, I was anticipating to see some kind of a pump. We did get a break above these highs, but then nothing came of it, right? So prices then reversed and broke below these lows. And now I am looking for some kind of a retracement on this structure before we actually sell until about 105.75. So that's my view for next week. I'm expecting to see the dollar become more bearish. And how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? Obviously, we do have GBP USD, the pound US dollar will then be bullish because DXY and GBP USD are inversely correlated. And as you can see, prices have just been pushing higher and higher, creating higher highs and higher lows. Excuse me, my voice is a bit shaky. I don't know what to say. Horsey, yeah. So prices just broke above here. And as you can see, we are waiting for a retracement on this major structure that's been broken to then continue heading for the highs and create a new higher high. Same thing with Euro USD. Prices have been crazy bullish as of last week. You'll have to forgive me. The network today looks a bit weak. I guess I just have to move out of Africa to solve this. I'm joking. But the network out here is shit, guys. The network out here is terrible. Anyways, back to this. So Euro USD, you can see prices have already broken above these highs. Also looking for some kind of a retracement and then pump higher all the way until somewhere up here, as a bullish continuation. And as you can see, the momentum is crazy strong. That's why the trend is steep. That means the bulls are not fading anytime soon. You can see the difference between this steepness and this steep. This is crazy steep. So obviously the trend is going to continue being bullish for a minute before you actually see reversals. So these will be my targets for Euro USD. Now, we do also have JPYX as our indice that we do look at for potential trading opportunities before the week starts. The JPYX is the Japanese yen currency index. And in this one, it indicates what is most likely to happen in the Japanese or the pairs that have the JPY or the Japanese yen. And as you can see, the network again is very slow. I do apologize for this, guys, but there's nothing I can really do about it. Now, last week, we were anticipating to see a crazy bearish run, and we did get a bearish run. For those that caught the trade, that caught the move, what's up? I don't even know what to say. Congrats. This was a mid intraday trade on Thursday, trying to catch this move. But you can see the momentum is clearly dying off. Now, one thing, JPYX and DXY are always inversely correlated. So now DXY is actually bearish and JPYX is also bearish. Now, I do anticipate to see this kind of a bullish pump until the break of this, a retest and an impulsive move until there. That's what I'm really looking for. Now, however, should I only take this trade once prices break above here, right? Now, should prices continue going bearish, because you can see clearly there is no momentum, I will look for retracement here and sell until somewhere here. These are the two scenarios that are most likely to happen. There is no other scenario unless prices decides to range here, but eventually it will break above or break below. But at the end of the day, guys, I am looking for my biases are prices will break above here and we will get that bullish run. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs such as Euro JPY? I will be looking for selling opportunities on Euro. Should prices break below here, I will be looking for that. And again, should prices break above that, I will be looking for that. So it's a two-way scenario. It's either way, we're going to make money out of this one. And CAD JPY, what's it looking like? Okay, so this was also another move I was looking at. So you can see I did draw an arrow here for prices to keep pumping. Didn't get any trade though. So with CAD JPY, I do believe that once prices break above here, it will do something like this, and then we will continue pumping higher, probably until here. And should prices break below here, then we will obviously keep heading for the lower lows. But these are my views on the currency pairs that I am watching, I am looking at. We do have one more I haven't talked about, and that is gold. That is gold. Excuse me. With gold, you can see now prices are on this structure right there, and we do have highs up here. It's very easy for gold this coming week. Once prices break above here, looking for continuations. If prices do break below here, we are looking for sells. Easy, 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 and done. Easy and done. So guys, this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm looking for in the markets in this coming week. If you found value, please consider giving us a like, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, whatever. And I'll see you guys next week. Let's have a killer one. Let's have a great one. Cheers, guys. Peace.